Will you like if somebody is staring at you? Obviously no. Fake apps appears to be legitimate on Google Play Store. The cybercriminals develop fake apps and launch on the Play Store. The innocent looking app will gain full control of your device, including network connection, location, sensitive credential, and carry out spying activities. Millions of people due to ignorance download and install fake apps. Some of the apps look like that of apps launched by the government, shopping apps, fake antivirus, device protection, or lockup apps. The fake apps inflate your mobile data and call bills. They can even read your SMS and contact list, spread spam, and display annoying pop-ups as well as dangerous adware. Some of them even can clone your card details and send the details to attacker to carry out cybercrime. Fake apps are also found on Windows Phone or any other platform. There are fake reviews is bought for few dollars, so you don't get fooled by the reviews on the Play Store. Now, what are the preventive tips or safeguards? Any apps promises to offer huge discount or unbelievable offer is a fake app. Fake app will not be in the list of editorial's choice list. Fake apps will never or have near to zero fake reviews. Pay very close attention to the spelling mistakes. Check when, how, who published the app. The real ones are likely to come up with an update, while the fake apps might have never been updated recently or might have been launched recently. Cross-check the reviews from multiple sources.